What's up, guys? Yui here. I wanted to do a video on this because I watched a few videos and didn't fix my problem. But if you're having the same issue, you might want to check a connection. There was a couple things loose and I tightened them down, went for a little test drive. But you know, you need three things to crank over an engine: compression, fuel, and a spark. Well, I did all those tests and I was getting everything, and it wasn't cranking over. It just kept cranking and cranking, but it didn't start. So then I went to go look, and this here, right here, that goes to the spark plugs, wasn't all the way down. So I pushed it all the way down and went and cranked it over, and it started. So if you're having that issue, just make sure all your connections are tight. This one right here has a broken clip, but I'm gonna order one and get it clipped. And then if you're not, if your speedometer ain't reading, I had another issue over here. It's down there. Let me see if I can get it. That right there, I don't know if you can see it, but your speedometer sensor, it wouldn't let me go past 2, 3.5, or wouldn't let me get boost. But as soon as I put that speedometer sensor down and tighten it down, because it also has a broken clip, yeah, these machines here, they run on computers, so if it's not sensing it, it doesn't know what speed you're getting, so it would cut me off. I hope this video helps.